Today we are on Lengkok Aminuddin Baki. It's a quiet street but walking distance to all your favorite restaurants, coffee shops, mama, cafes, stationery shop, grocers, banks and much more. The Lengkok Aminuddin Baki street slopes gently upwards and widens at the end, so as you approach the end of the street you find the roads much more spacious. This home sits towards the end of the road and has been renovated about 15 years ago. You can park 2 cars with plenty of walkway. Inside, there is a wide welcome gallery thanks to the 24 feet by 75 feet land plot. The curvature design actually enhances the width further. The kitchen area is open and leads you to another kitchen area for your heavy-duty cooking on one end and utilities area on the other. The biggest bonus for me is the granny's room with her own ensuite downstairs. There are 3 rooms upstairs and 2 baths with a family hall to boot. This home has 2 greatest selling points that you can change even with all the extensive renovations you do. Number 1, location. Number 2, width. It is asking for 1.78 million. To find out more or for more TTDI home options, check out our website. See you next Monday for my next video.